Hello, welcome to the Drop 7. So this week I would grade myself around 3.5 because last to the previous week was around 3 because I was traveling and the schedule got a bit hectic and I was not able to balance everything. So I improved upon myself in the last week and it would be around 3.5 definitely. Thoda improvement हुआ है. But one observation that I found is like when you are at home and when you are working from your in Pune it was all work, like nothing like with family and stuff. So when I'm now at home, so balancing that personal and professional life is quite tricky. So I'm trying to learn on that so that I really want to dedicate my few hours towards that professional life and few hours towards personal life. तो वो अभी सब कुछ मिक्स और जम्बल्ड अप हो रहा है, सब कुछ एक साथ ही चलता है दोनों. So I would really like to segregate and make sure that I enjoy both of my stuff like properly. So वो एक थोड़ा improvement होगा तो I think that would be really great moving onwards. And regarding to our startup update, so it's going good. As I've been mentioning in last couple of videos that we only have like one particular client right now. So we had set aside 10 days, like right now it's like 10 to 12 days. So we are now like really ahead of the timeline for that particular project. So the project is really in control of us. And eventually this coming week also will be dedicating some of our more time for that project so that that particular project becomes really in control. But one thing that I found is like really balancing your client side and balancing your product side is quite tricky. मैंने सोचा था like अप्रैल में खत्म कर मई मार्च में खत्म करेंगे and अप्रैल onwards we will be able to work dedicatedly towards product, but वो कुछ हो नहीं पा रहा है. We are not able to get that sufficient amount of time to really dedicate towards product. थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर मिल जाता है but not enough. But I think it's going good. There's a positive sign because all of our work is getting closed and हो ही चुका है यानी ऐसा. और ये भी प्रोजेक्ट पूरा टाइमलाइन के हिसाब से कंट्रोल में आ गया है, तो नेक्स्ट वीक से थोड़ा सा we will be able to dedicate much more time towards product. And one thing is for sure is like product जो भी होगा like internally use करने के लिए तो भी we would be ready in this April month onwards. So like close beta or else launching it to everyone might get delayed, but internal use तो भी at least हम लोग अप्रैल में कर ही देंगे हमारे लिए, so that we can test and make our product really better for the launch. So this is our startup update and moving forward to the idea or the experiment part. So book के बारे में last week के अंदर idea था, but एक book पढ़ी नहीं जा रही थी, but I ordered 3 books because it was cheap on Flipkart. So देखते हैं क्या होता है. Like I started to read, so few pages per day. So eventually I'll try to increase. I'll keep you posted of that my book reading on my stories as well. So this particular week's goal is regarding journaling. Like I used to journal daily, but I started journaling my thoughts, but eventually it turned into just archiving or my like keeping notes, like a few things that I read and I want to keep it better, so I add that stuff there. But journaling is a quite different thing altogether. Like it's like day-to-day thoughts, like what have you done good or bad, or few things to keep in your mind. So it's just like your thoughts of your whole day written in a short format of like 50 to 100 words. So I would like to try that. So like I'm moving forward from today, I would like to really jot down my thoughts or whatever I feel like at the end of the day in my journal, like और digitally करूँगा. notebook और pen तो अभी कुछ है नहीं इतना, like all my things are digitally archived. So I would really like to try like doing journaling. Seems like difficult to really jot down daily, but let's try. Hope so it goes good. And regarding that previous update for our growth hacking thread, like I am now at 93 day, so only 1 week is remaining. So in the moving onwards, like in this coming week I would be achieving that 100 days of growth. So I'm feeling really great. Like I didn't thought I would be able to complete 100 days, but somehow I did. So वो तो हो गया है अभी. So let's see what next comes as well. So this is the whole video. I think ये video थोड़ा short ही रहेगा because yes, trying to balance that personal and professional life. So this would be really short video as well. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and tell me if you guys are journaling, then let me know if you have any tips or like something that I should keep in mind. So and if you guys are working on something cool stuff, then mention on the call in the comments below, or you can DM me as well. We can explore something synergies. So this is it. Like I see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, keep hustling, and YOLO. Bye.